In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to make a text shake effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here I am in my project, and now I just need to make my text first by pressing T on my keyboard and then clicking here on my preview, and then it will now add a text element right here, and I just need to type it. Let's say I'm going to type in shake. And now I can go into my essential graphics in here. If you don't have this, you want to go into window and make sure essential graphic is checked. And now from here, change anything on the text that you'd want. Like for example, the font, I would want it to be in Poppins right here in bold. And then I would want it to be much bigger so that we would be able to notice the shake effect more. Right there. And then once you are done is that you want to simply go here, select your text, and then go into effects, and then basically just go for transform and drag it into your clip or text right there. And then again, if you don't have the effects, it's right here in the window, and click here on effects. And then once you're here is that you want to go here into effect controls, go into transform, and then make sure that you set this Q into 4. So it's skewed like that, and then the skew axis right here. So you want to keyframe this at the beginning, and then go at the end right here, and just make the value of this incredibly long. Like for example, I'm going to go for 20 times right there, or 20x right there. So it's 20 times. And now when I play it, it will now have this shake effect right here. So the larger the end value will be, the more violent the shake will. So for example, if I go into 50x, you'll now be able to see that it's now much more violent, as you can see right there. So that's another tip for you. And then now to add some motion blur so it's not really so choppy, what you want to do is that you want to uncheck this one, use composition shutter angle, and then you want to set the shutter angle into 360. And now when I play it, it will now have a smoother motion blur effect, so the shake is now more realistic. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.